You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that?
What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I have been extremely busy between work, school, and just working on cars, wrapping cars. Gonna try to get back into doing more videos. We'll see how it goes. But to start off, I wanted to go ahead and show off the new headlights. I got the feeling, or I decided that I wanted Charger-like headlights. So I went ahead and got them. Also had some modifications done to them. They're definitely not for everybody, but I love them, and I know a lot of people have. So check them out. Let me know what you think. So to start off, obviously, like I said, a lot of people say that they look like Charger headlights, and they do. There are also a lot of other vehicles that do have a similar running LED. With these, I'm actually able to change the colors. So, I don't know how well this will show up, but there is an app on my phone that I can use to change the color of the headlights. So I'm gonna go through some of the functions. There are 200 different settings on the headlights, so I'm probably not going to go through every one of them. I'll probably just go through them fairly quickly, or some of the ones that I like.
I'm just fucking lit, man, I'm just fucking lit. Drink a bottle of this shit, man, bottle of this shit. I'm about to write a hit, man, about to write a hit. No, I'm never gonna quit, man, never gonna quit. I just took another hit, man, took another hit. I'm about to lose my shit, man, about to lose my shit. Does she have a fucking wristband? Yeah, she needs that shit. Better get her out real quick, man, get her out real quick.
Are you the present or the future? Are you a drinker or a boozer? Are you a giver or a user? Are you a winner or a loser?
And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. I swore that I would never fucking back down. Yeah, her body's like a gift, man, body's like a gift. Cause she's looking hella fit, man, looking hella fit. And I can't always commit, man, can't always commit. Pull the trigger on this shit, man, trigger on this shit. Cause I feel I haven't lived, man, feel I haven't lived. Till I got nothing to miss, man, got nothing to miss.
Are you the present or the future? Are you a drinker or a boozer? Are you a giver or a user? Are you a winner or a loser?
And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. And I said that I would never back down. I
See? 200 different settings. Now, I didn't go through them all. I just went through them, some of them fairly quickly. If I'm driving or if I actually have them on, usually I'll just leave them on like purple. You can't drive with red, it's illegal. Or that, or I just leave them white. Although I do think the amber looks kind of cool with the wrap.